Hi there, welcome back to your math workshop for today. So we're going to continue working on our fractions. Today we're going to work on how many ways we can make a whole. So if you remember this from the last time we talked about this, if I were to take this 1/4 piece and put this back together here, what do I now have? Yeah, I have a whole. So how do you know that these two pieces make a whole? So yeah, we know that I had taken away just 1/4, and when I put it back, now it makes one whole. Okay, so for today, we're going to be thinking about different fractions that we can add together in order to make one whole. So we could write them out as equations. So I might, for instance, write this one as an equation of 1/4 plus our 3/4, and that equals one whole. We're going to look at this now. What's another way that we could divide this up into fractions and create equations to make one whole? What are some other equations that we could write to make one whole? So since we've divided this up into fourths, we could also say that 2/4 plus 2/4 is equal to one whole, because we have our 2 here and our 2 here, and together they make one whole. What about if I said 1/4 plus, or 1/4 plus 2/4 plus, what would I have to add to that to make one whole? So if I have 1/4 plus 2/4, what do I have to add again? 1/4 in order to equal one whole. What about this? What if I had, whoop, a little big, 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4. Does that also equal one whole? Yeah, it does. Now I'm going to look at this one all together. Is there another way that I could write this just using one fraction? Instead of adding my 4/4 together, could I make a fraction, just one single fraction to represent this? That's right. So I could actually say 4/4, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4/4 is also equal to one whole. What do you notice about this one? Between the numerator and the denominator. So the numerator is the number on top, and the denominator is the number that's down below the line. So what do you notice about that? Yeah, both of the numerator and the denominator are the same number. Does that work then for 2/2 or 3/3? Do those both equal one whole? Yeah, they do. So when the numerator and the denominator are the same number, it means it equals one whole. Okay, so for today in your worksheet, you're going to be working on adding fractions together to equal one whole. I can't wait to see what you work on. Good luck and have fun. Bye-bye.